everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. If you cannot tell by my voice, I am excited because I've been out in the lot today trying to find the perfect home to video for you guys, and I found it. This is a 16 by 68. It is new, it's not in my lineup yet, so I need a little bit of feedback from you guys. A lot of customers come in, especially ones that are going into a park, looking for a 66 or a 68 long, and this is the two-bedroom version. I'm gonna call this, for naming purposes, the baby Branson right now, because we do this in a 76 version, and it was our Louisville show, and it was a showstopper. And I thought that was beautiful until I walked into this baby. Okay. We did a little bit of a bump out here. This is a single wide exterior elevation. You can do that. You can also change the color of the siding just like they did here. So we've got white against olive. I think that's a beautiful way to do it, especially, I'm sure this one's gonna go into a park. Well, I know because right there's the lot number. But typically when you see homes that are going into a park, they're gonna have some kind of single wide exterior elevation. Lineal trims around the windows. This is the 2-bedroom version. And man, I can't breathe, I'm so excited. The colors in here, woo-wee! And also, wait till you see the fireplace. Oh mama. Okay, here we go. Walking into a wide open space, and the first thing you see is that beautiful fireplace. We've got a lot of good stuff in here. New floor for 2025, Harbor Light. Brand new fireplace for 2025. This has the reverse aisle, so we've got both doors. Boom. There's the other one on the same side. You can do that with most of the single wides. So this is an electric fireplace that does have different controls right here. You can change these flame colors, and also it does produce heat that blows out there. And then we've got cool cedar for the accent panel. Let me just give you another view of the living room. Nice, spacious living room. Remember I told you this is the 2-bedroom version, so we also do this in a 76 long and a 3-bedroom version. But look at this color combination. I'm so excited. Let me go in here. Okay. Sesame Chateau is also an accent wall and is new for this year, paired with Roca Bosco countertop with a laminate backsplash, and these just go fabulously together. I'm so impressed with that. We've got white on the cupboards with the black handles, black appliances, a little design tip here. Always try to make sure your handles complement your appliances. So here's the cooking area with storage. You could take those all the way to the ceiling if you would like to. And then here's an island, sink in the island, plenty of extra storage, and also a dishwasher there. Beautifully, the refrigerator is placed outside of the kitchen, surrounded by storage, and we've added an ice maker. But you can just see, this kitchen is broke up into different sections, right? You have your section where you're cooking, your refrigerator section, plenty of seating underneath this island, and you still have an island. So sometimes it's difficult in a small space to be able to hit all of the buttons, but this kitchen does it. Ooh, love it, love it, love it. I don't know which way to go first. It's so good. And another great feature of this home, we've got windows everywhere. So still have a space for a dining table if you're looking for one. The refrigerator is showcased with windows as well. Coming down to the hallway, let's take a look at the back half of the home first. We do offer a washer and dryer if you're ever looking to just, a lot of people want things move-in ready. They don't want to mess with anything, so they've added a shelf over the washer and dryer, and then the actual washer and dryer, that's a Whirlpool, is going to go with it. Here's bathroom number 2. Pretty typical bathroom, and I always think it's a great idea to add a medicine cabinet, at least in bath 2. I think it's great to add them everywhere, but at least in bath 2, because you're typically going to have a single vanity in bath 2. So you want to have that little bit of extra storage, especially, you know, not just females, right? Guys are going to have shaving stuff. Water heater tucked away in an interesting place right here. We try to utilize all the space in a Champion home so that we have plenty of storage. This is the second bedroom, and I am super impressed with this closet, okay? In a second bedroom, it's not very often that you're gonna see such closet space. Imagine if you doubled up the racks in here. Oh yes, that's what I would do. All right. And then also with that bump out that I showed you on the exterior, it's gonna give you an extra wide windowsill wherever you decide to do the bump out. What do you guys think about the colors? I just think brings out some warmth right here with the browns. And then you still have your white and gray palette here with a little bit of green. Oh, this is gorgeous. If you guys, I'm jumping right now. It's gorgeous. All right, heading back towards the primary bedroom. It gets just as good back here. I imagine, here's your second door. I imagine hanging up hooks right here when you come inside. Do you guys remember those old hall trees from like the 80s and 90s when you walked in your door? When I was a kid, we lived in a single wide, so I know about these things. And when you walked in, there was always that hanging, that brown hanging coat tree, that hall tree. Well, this would be nicer to put some hooks right there. Primary bedroom. Again, with the accent wall, the Sesame Chateau. And I have never, ever in all my years seen a single wide with a closet like this until this year. We are getting really good at what we do, aren't we? Bookcases. Woo-wee, yeah, man. You're walking through the closet and with plenty of space. Larger than a 36-inch hallway, right? Plenty of space there. Oh. Double up the racks here. Ooh, nice. Okay, back to the primary bedroom. So I just walked all the way through that closet. You guys saw that, right? And then these are optional built-ins. I think they're a great idea when you pull out one of these drawers. It's our pot and pan drawers is what it is. But nice deep drawers. So you can really omit a dresser if you wanted to. You could have that, and then you could also have a dresser over here, and then have your bed coming out this way easily. And also look here, they added 2 windows in here instead of having one big large window. That's another thing that just changes the design aesthetic of things when you mix it up and you put 2 windows in the primary bedroom. And then last, but definitely not least, the primary bath. Dual vanity. Here we go with another medicine cabinet. This is called the Tri-View. So we offer the single view, which would be one of those, and the Tri-View, which is 3, and it covers the double vanity. And talk about storage. Let's go ahead and open one. So, hairspray, shaving cream, da-da-da, 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 perfume, makeup, all the things in here. Medicine. Super excited for these warm days. I can't quit smiling today. All right. Then we've also got another linen closet over here. So you've got even more storage for towels. Probably would keep your sheets in the big closet, but plenty of room for towels and 4 more drawers down there. We've added a walk-in shower. It is a 30 by 60. Perfect. And then this half wall post here is going to give you some privacy in the commode. With the door closed, you would have this half wall that's going to kind of block your wife or your husband from coming in and, you know. Don't act like it doesn't happen, because we all know it does, right? So this is it. I'm going to call it the baby Branson. I have not brought this into our lineup yet for on the retail side. If you love it, let me know. If you don't love it, let me know. I've got pretty thick skin here, guys, so I take your recommendations very seriously. And I've gotten 3 calls alone today. So don't be afraid to pick up that phone. My phone number is on the front page of my YouTube page. And then I always try to list it here in the videos. Do not be afraid to pick up the phone and call me. I've got some exciting stuff. And we are top notch here. So I'm going to show you a top notch experience, teach you a lot about manufactured homes and the installation of them, the processes, how we do it, how we order it, And we're just so excited to meet you. We're in Topeka, Indiana. We'll offer you a free overnight stay at a very nice Amish-inspired inn. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think about the baby Branson. And everybody, as always, thank you so much for watching.